Welcome back, Curveballs and Season's greetings. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Lisa and I am the Curvy Cuban, and you have arrived on A Very Curvy Christmas. Today we are doing this gingerbread eye look, or gingerbread icing eye look, I should say. I started off thinking I was going with the gingerbread theme, decided to do dripping icing instead of the gingerbread man. Just the way that my eyes are shaped, it fit better for my eye shape. So if you too would like to join along and see how we can't get this festive look on our eyes, then you should keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and tap that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, without further ado, let's get Christmassy. So we're going for gingerbread today, and it's going to be challenging to say the least because I've got a lot of good ideas and I've got to pick one and stick with one. So I'm just gonna start off, I've just got my Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. I feel like this has the most gingerbreadish colors in it. And I'm just gonna start off like a normal, neutral person would do and start applying some transition flesh toned pigments in my crease. I didn't prime with my P. Louise base today. I decided to go with the ABH eye primer because it's whiter in color, and I wanted a really white base to have these neutral shades on. Since I'm not having these vibrant shades to really apply, I didn't want to diminish any of these flesh tone shades with my already flesh colored skin. I want this to swoop out because you know how I like my shadow to angle out. And I like to start in towards the nose. All right, let's deepen this up a little bit and go in with that guy. All right, going in a little bit darker, a little lower. I'm gonna take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer just because it's got the perfect shape applicator for what I'm gonna do here. And I want my icing to look like it's dripping from above. This part doesn't have to be perfect. I just need the outline of the icing, and then I'm gonna fix it. Now I'm gonna take my ABH eye primer and my concealer brush and kind of connect it. That might be as good as it's going to get for me. And I'm going to go in with this chocolatey brown here, and we're going to shade the drips. So now I'm gonna get my favorite white eyeshadow, which is in my ABH Riviera palette in the shade Sails. So now I'm gonna go back and fine tune some of my shading so it looks just a little bit more crisp since I've gone over it with the white. Drawing icing on paper is so easy. Drawing it on your face, on skin with contour and curvature and wrinkles, not so easy. I feel like I need some highlight. So on my drippage, I want some sparkle. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my glitter glue, put that in a little pan. I have like a little tin that I use for my mixing and my bases and glitter glues and all that fun stuff. I recommend you do the same if you're ever gonna do like a detailed look like this. And I'm just gonna dip some here, and on the opposite side where I've shaded, I'm gonna dot a little glitter glue. McDrew makes this stuff look so easy. Do you guys follow McDrew? She does all kinds of crazy artistic face painting looks, and I know that she's got it all sped up and edited when she shows it, but it just looks like
you just look into a mirror and boop, 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 everything's painted, no problem.
I'm sitting here practically not breathing while I'm doing this.
And I'm gonna take a deep breath in between each one because I'm afraid I'm gonna screw it up.
my favorite white. Get a flat brush. Oh, maybe I use this one.
A few moments later.
Oh, the hard part is over. Now we just get to have fun by doing the rest of this eye look. So now I want to go deep in the crease with more of the chocolate brown. I'm careful not to ruin my icing. You know what? Now would be a perfect time to do a halo eye. I'm going to take this dark brown and make sure it's very visible and prominent on the inner and the outer corner, creating a halo effect. Don't worry about the middle, because that's where your pop of light's gonna go. Of course, usually you wouldn't have icing dripping down your face, so you'd have a whole lot more room to work with, but that is not the case today. A fluffier brush to get in that crease. She was trying to find a clean one. And I'm just gonna start blending that chocolatey shade. By tapping gently out in that direction and then sweeping it with your brush. I'm gonna take my P. Louise base and kind of cut the crease right in the center for this halo eye. I don't want this to transfer into the icing, so I'm going to just tap here and drag down. I'm starting way lower and have very deep set eyes, so you're not gonna see them when my eyes are open. I just wanna get the beaming light in from the halo eye. Now with my pinky, I'm going to gently blend the edges by tapping. All right, going back in with a chocolate brown, then that one. Now in the very center is where you just want it to be blinged. So I want to use this gold shade, and you can either apply this with your finger, you can apply it with a brush, you can spray the brush. I try all of them to see which one has the best payoff. And I use a brush up closer to the cut crease. I find that the finger usually has the most payoff. I'm gonna go into this shimmer, topaz-y looking shimmer. I'm just gonna go over that chocolate brown mat I had and just make sure that I have a shimmer connecting the fudge color and the gold. Okay, so for my final step for the decor purpose of this video, I think some little Christmas candy sprinkles are in store, so I am taking some red and green face paint. I got it Hobby Lobby at Halloween time. And I'm just simply dotting on some Christmas sprinkles. Clean off that brush, switch to the green. This is just a tad bit of white eyeliner. Make that icing really pop on the sides opposite that we've shaded. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face makeup, and we will be back for the lower lash line to just complete this look. And now moving on to the lower lash line. Okay, so let's go in with our chocolate color, that outer corner, and I just want to stamp it and marry it with this like imaginary wing we have going on here. Beneath that, we're gonna go here. And beneath that, here. I'm just gonna blend the whole bottom out with my fluffy brush and up. All right, for the inner corner, I'm gonna go on with this light gold here. And I'm gonna bring it down my tear duct and open up my eye. Brighten up my eye, I should say. All right, for eyeliner, I have this gold, it's actually called Bronze Parody, I don't know. Okay, so our eyes are lined. I'm gonna throw on some lashes and we'll be right back. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Once again, we have had another successful A Very Curvy Christmas. If you too would like to get this gingerbread look on your eyes, you can. Don't forget to tag me in it on Instagram or Twitter if you decide to recreate this look. I would love to see what you come up with, even if it's not this, if it's your own twist. Just give me a tag. Everything, all my social media is at the Curvy Cuban. If you have made it this far, drop me a Christmas tree emoji and down in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video, hit subscribe, and tap that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Until next time, stay curvy and stay captivating, and I'll see you in a week. Bye!